Welcome friends in our SSIS tutorial session. In this session we are going to focus on conditional split transformation which is available in a data flow. So the basic funda of a conditional split transformation is that suppose that you have a data. For example, there is a sales data containing region, country, item type, sales channel, order priority, order date, order ID and many more columns, but you want to split your data into two or more uh, outputs, like as if you want to store your data for a specific region like Asia or all other regions into the different location, then we can use the conditional split transformation. It works similar as is in SQL statement. We are using case statement. The same funda is available in SSIS in terms of conditional split. So I have already created a flat file connection manager here to connect my database, my raw data file. Sorry. Now in this table you can see we have the data. Okay. Now we are going to split our data into two outputs by using conditional split. Okay, so what I am going to do here, in a control flow I am just drag data flow task here. Okay, now if I am going to click on my data flow task here, you can see we are moved to data flow window. Now you can see we are in data flow, and here we are going to choose source assistant, and you can see we have already created a flat file connection manager to connect our data source. Okay, now what I am going to do here, I am just drag conditional split transformation and put it and link with the our source file. Okay, now we are in conditional split. Now we are going to configure our conditional split. So we are going to edit it, and you can see conditional split transformation editor is open. Now actually we want to split the data on region, so we are going to put the region equal to Asia. Now you can see this is the order, and now these are the case. You can change it as per your requirement. Okay, now click on OK button. Okay, now you can see that we have split our data, and now we are going to use pull some row sampling here. That is row sampling. Okay, now connect it with our row sampling, that is our case 1. Okay, and another one is our default output. So we are going to use the default output to choose here like this. Now you can get a conditional split default output. Now how is going to work? We are going to put here data viewer, enable data viewer, same for here, enable data viewer. Now we are going to execute our package. Now you can see these are the Asian data and these are the all regional data with the help of conditional split.